50 grams of butter, 20 grams of brown sugar, 20 grams of honey, and just half grams of sea salt. Place the bowl over warm water and gently melt everything together until it turns creamy. If you want the exact at-home-style texture, keep mixing until the brown sugar is completely dissolved. But honestly, I like leaving a little bit unmelted. It adds a nice, sandy crunch when you bite into it. At home use thick-cut toast, but today I'm using thin brioche slicing. That's what I have at home. Spread the honey butter evenly over 4 slices of bread. Make sure every bite should be buttery. Pop them into the air fryer at 160 degrees centigrade for 8 minutes. Flip them. Bake at 180 degrees centigrade for another 5 minutes. Once they are done, take them out and let them cool. They turn perfectly golden and crispy. Thanks for cooking with me. Like and subscribe to Bay's Kitchen. See you next time.